Here we are with Ludovic, and we're going to work on marzipan, and you will find out that this product is very versatile. This one is a premium quality marzipan from Mandolin. Ludo is working on it to make a little monkey. Using your body temperature, you can make it any shape you want. You can do a lot of animals with it. You can use it for decoration. You can cover cake with it and pastries. So as you see, he applied the knife just to open the mouth. You can get the marzipan from Mandolin in different colors and flavors. Here I have two samples. I have the green marzipan, and I have also the pink marzipan. But what you can do also is to purchase white marzipan from Mandolin, like this one, like the one Ludo used. And this one can be colored, flavored. You can use some coffee extract to make it coffee marzipan. You can use chocolate to make it chocolate marzipan. Okay, so now we are at the end of the little monkey. It's a very nice marzipan figurine, done entirely with marzipan, three colors, the white, the chocolate, and the pink one. Ludovic is doing the eyes right now. The eyes are made of royal icing made with 10x confectionery sugar and a little bit of egg white. And now he's adding some dark chocolate to it, just pure dark chocolate, just to come up with the eyes. What you can do also is to varnish your marzipan. We use an edible varnish to make it shine, just a little bit on the marzipan. It prevents the humidity coming into it. There we have it, the finished monkey figurine. It looks very nice. Good job, Ludo.